Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Let's just be glad. Hello mga kapiyok, isang magandang araw sa inyo. Ang video nito ay strumming tutorial ng isang oldies but goodies na kanta. Ang pamagat ay For the Good Times, na maraming version, pero ang isa sa pinakasikat na version ay yung version ni Perry Como. Yung kay Perry Como, ang chords ay nasa E flat. So gagamit tayo ng capo sa 3rd fret para yung E flat natin magiging C chord dito. Siya nga pala, dito sa channel ay merong option na maging member via join button. Yung join button nasa baba. Kung gusto nyo makita yung mga perks nung bilang isang member, ay pakiclick yung join. Ang strumming pattern ng kanta ay madali lang, 4 na bilang lang yan. Pero kung buuin mo yung isang chord, ay 8 bilang yan. Pero yung basic na pattern ay 4 lang. Down, up, down, up. Yung beat ng kanta ay nasa pangatlo, ganito. Ganyan. Ang unang chord ay D minor, then G7 and the C chord. Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Yung second part, ganito naman. Will keep on turning. Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Pagdating naman sa chorus, pareho lang din yung pattern. That were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Yung second part, ganito naman. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft across the window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good time. Doon pala sa pagitan ng chorus at saka verse 2, yung instrumental dyan ay yun din yung chords ng intro. Kung gusto nyong i-play yung intro, madali lang. Ganito lang, umpisa sa C chord. Yun lang yung intro. Pagdating naman ng second verse, ganito lang. I'll get along. You'll find another, and I'll be here if you should find you ever need me. Yung second part, ganito naman. You ever need me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Then balik na ang chorus. Doon sa exit ng kanta, ganito lang. Yung sa last line ng chorus, for the good time. For the good time. Ganon lang. Sa mga hindi pa subscribe sa aking channel ay inaanyayahan ko kayong mag-subscribe o kaya mag-follow kung saang platform man kayo. At maraming salamat sa inyong suporta.